Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Winifred is living with us now.
Winifred? The hairstylist?
Yes. Oh, Lord. I didn't tell you?
Told me what?
Has Daddy had his breakfast?
I did.
You may leave us now.
There are so many ways you could have helped her, instead of bringing her into your home.
Why?
Why? Have you seen her? You're asking me why?
As in Zach could be attracted to her.
Oh, I'm funny.
Yes, it's laughable.
Anita, stop being naive.
What do you say you help me in the kitchen? Let's have a little girl-to-girl time and leave this boring man to his work. Okay? Let's go.
Joshua, tell her something.
Look, I know too well not to argue with my mother. Good luck to you.
Joshua, I have to go to work.
Yes, darling. Don't call me until the food is ready.
Ma, Inyonu hid the pregnancy from everyone.
I'm in no support of abortion. But she's not the only woman to have terminated a baby. Yes, she had good reasons to.
Mom, did you hear anything that I said?
Baby, I've got an idea.
What? What are you doing?
We're going to circulate a picture on all social media. Anybody who knows where she is would have to contact us.
And you think that will work?
I don't know, but there's no harm in trying.
Add my contact to it so that anyone who wants to make a report can call.
I wouldn't even dare use my number.
You are scared of her.
I am not scared of her.
You're scared of her.
She's a fool. I just respect her.
Liar. You are scared of her.
Even your sister knows I just respect women.
Cha, you are scared though.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Daddy, can you please pass it?
What time did you get in?
Last night.
Oh, really?
Work or other matters?
Both, actually.
Valerie, I hope you're pulling all resources towards this I Care project.
I had to really pull a lot of strings to get this contract.
Mom, I'm on it. Trust me, I am.
What?
Nothing.
Well, ladies, I will see you later in the evening, alright?
Okay, Daddy.
Have a good day.
Alright, thanks, honey. Oh.
Alright, Dad. Thanks, Dad.
What?
Mom, how come Dad does not hold you or kiss you?
Where is this coming from?
Well, I've noticed it even before now. He just gave me a peg, and he didn't do that with you.
Well, when you've been married for a long time, these things, they tend to float away.
I see. But I don't remember ever noticing you being romantic with each other.
Maybe we're not that kind of couple.
Why not? Joshua's parents are such a fantastic couple.
How did you know that?
Well, I had a private date with Marjorie last night. We did some cooking and we had dinner. She's such a lovely person. You never told me the reason why you two don't gel, you know.
That's a story for another day.
Of course.
Valerie, today is not a good day for me. We will talk about this some other time.
X?
Yes. I suppose you've already spoken to Carbon?
But I need details.
Of course. I was actually talking about the price.
Let's just say I hear good things about you. So yes, we'll do it your way. We'll have time to add up.
No problem. I have 2 key people on my list. But for now, I want him.
Trisha, the letters are ready. Okay.
Madam, please, there's a guest waiting outside.
Who? She's here?
Yes, please.
Right now?
Yeah.
Ask her in.
Okay, madam.
Marjorie, this is unexpected.
It is. Even I'm surprised to be here.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Will you care for anything?
Oh, no, I'm fine. Thank you, dear.
So, to what do I owe the surprise?
Nothing really. I was in the area and thought, I've never been here. And with our kids sort of getting together, I thought perhaps we should at least try to fraternize. We may be becoming family.
Family? Isn't it too early to assume that?
Oh, no, not with me involved. You know, Festus did mention what you proposed about our kids getting together.
Yes, Joshua is a perfect gentleman.
Oh, like his father, no doubt.
No doubt.
So listen, why don't we make time this week to have lunch and talk about this? I think we should leave the men out of this. It's really a task for us, don't you think?
Us? You mean the two of us?
Yes. Do you have a problem?
Of course not, Marjorie. But you do know the demands of my job is
Oh,
such that...
come on. You can make time, if and when you want to. Now, I know we haven't had the best of relationships, but that can change, Betsy. So, I'm available all week. You fix the day and time, and I'm game.
Sure. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Betsy.
Would it be easier if we handle it like robbery?
Nah. I don't want any questionable incident. It should be as far from human manipulation as possible. An accident looks more like it to me. Will this be a problem?
That would mean risking my guy's life as well. That doesn't work for me.
He doesn't need to be part of the action. I know there's something you can fix in the car to make him lose control or something like that.
We also realize that this could come out differently. He may more like get hurt. He may lose his life. Is that how the whole thing is?
No, of course not. I just want him to be incapacitated. I want them both to be fully dependent on me. He won't be much of a threat if he's bedridden.
What I'm saying is that when it comes to initiating accidents, one has less to control. He may end up losing his life. Are you ready for that?
Would I call you back, please?
Have you seen the data yourself? I asked a question. I mean, what the hell? What else do you do apart from throwing all this around? Your duty was not to go into the field. Now you see the kind of problems we have on our hands? Must I do everything by myself? Now we don't only have time to deal with. We've wasted so much money. Listen, the researchers would have to go back into the field and clear all the mistakes that we have. Do you have an idea of what that means? Listen and listen very carefully. I don't have time for all these long theories. I need actions. I need to see some act. Jesus Christ. What? Really?
Birthday?
You have no idea.
You wanna talk?
I'm going to tell you the same thing I told Ransford. No long talks. I need action. I mean, I put in so much effort for this project not to pull off. I've eventually cleared my entire account. If the government pulls
How many
off,
times have I warned you about financing projects with personal funds?
You know I'm not into loans. Oh my God, this is so frustrating.
Hey. I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? It's not like it's your fault.
Well, indirectly. I mean, you've been away from the office for a while because of me.
Well, if that's how you want to put it.
Do you want a hug?
Yes.
Right. Here goes.
I so much needed this. I'm just a bit worried.
Let's get married.
The number again.
054.
Okay.
93.
93.
888.
888.
56.
56.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, same. Okay.
Thank you.
Maybe this here.
Hello, good morning. Please, I want a SIM card.
Betsy,
Hey, just a quick one. What's going on with Marjorie?
I don't think I quite get your question.
I initiated this whole marriage thing, but I think she's going a little too overboard with us. And you know your wife is not a friendly type, at least not when it comes to me. So I'm wondering why she came by my office today.
You mean Marjorie visited your office?
Surprising as that may sound, yes.
I don't know what to say, but I hope she didn't pull no tricks on you.
If you call bulldozing me into a date with her a trick, then yes.
I'll talk to her.
No, it's fine. I'll meet with her. It's just that I'm a little concerned with it. She seems too enthused with this whole thing. Valerie mentioned some time alone with her yesterday, then a visit today.
Well, let's just say she's a little excited about the kids than the rest of us. But let me know if you need her back off you.
Okay. Thank you. Let's catch up later, okay?
Sure.
Bye.
Marjorie, did you call Betsy for a date?
Yes, Festus.
Why?
Do I need to give you a reason?
I think of the last shameful stunt you pulled last night. I deserve to know why you will engage someone that you think I'm having an affair with.
It's not about us, Festus. I think if we're going to put the kids together as planned, then we should be able to work together as parents. That's it. Now tell me, did she call you or you called her?
We'll talk about that later. This woman is a devil.
If there is anything so lovely to share, if there is something right to say without fear, nothing but your love, nothing but your love, there's nothing but your love, nothing but your love.
Right. That's about it. Come here. Is it about a fight? Are you still holding on to it?
What?
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Why?
You're not here. There's something on your mind.
I always have so much on my mind. You know I'll miss you. And you have to keep safe for us.
I'll be back before you know. And you take very good care of yourself.
I promise. No stunts.
Right.
Alright, let me walk you out. Can I have this?
Hi. You're traveling?
Yeah. Annie told you about my travels?
Yes, I think she did. I just didn't know it would be this soon. Here, let me help you with the bag.
Oh, no, I'm fine. I can help myself. Thank you.
I insist. That's why I'm here, to help you guys. Come on. Here, let me do this.
Mama. Oh, I am sorry.
What?
I didn't know you were sleeping.
But what is it, Kuma? Why did you call my name out so loud?
Michael and I tried out something yesterday and it worked.
What?
We put Iyunu's picture on social media as missing. Someone has seen her. He just called.
Lord have mercy. Kuma, where? Where? Get my bag quick, quick, quick.
No, Mama. You are not going with us. At least not today.
Why?
Because we do not know for sure if it's truly in Yonu. And secondly, it may be far. You will slow us down.
But she won't listen to you, Kuma. I need to be there.
We are not going there to chat her. We just want to know where she lives. And we can take you there later. Eh? Please just stay home. Michael, let's go.
Do you have money on you?
Yes, we are fine.
Thank you, Winifred.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
I'll take very good care of her.
I'd appreciate it.
Okay. Is it okay if I called you from time to time? If I said hello from time to time? I mean, I wouldn't want to cross any boundaries.
It's okay. No problem.
Sure, thanks. So, what are we having for supper?
What is this?
Oh my Lord.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, go to my sissy.